Hi, welcome to this video showing Trilio backup and recovery integrated into a Kubernetes cluster deployed on Taikun. First, we're going to head over to our project that we have named Trilio, where we can see we have deployed a Kubernetes cluster. From here, we can easily download our kube-config file using the Taikun interface. We will use this to log into the Trilio UI. Next, from the Kubernetes project page, we can list the available services on this cluster, and we find the one associated with our Trilio operator. We can simply use this provided IP to launch our Trilio UI. Trilio supports a wide variety of login options, but by default we can use a kubeconfig-based login, so we'll use our downloaded kubeconfig file for this demonstration. On logging in, we can see our Kubernetes cluster listed. Trilio supports multiple cluster administration, but for now we have just the one cluster. If we select the backup and recovery menu, we are presented with a number of options. We start by listing the namespaces available to backup, or we can do an application level backup, create backup plans for future use, create targets, create hook scripts, and create and edit backup and retention policies. The monitoring option is where we can find the status of all our backups and restores. For this demonstration though, I will use the application backup wizard to back up an application that is managed through a label. That label is app equals Kate's demo app, like so. On selecting this, I'm presented with the option to choose a backup plan for this application. I've already pre-created one. It was simply done by following a wizard asking for the application label to back up and what to backup target to back it up to. I'll give the backup a name and press the Create Backup button to start the process. For the purposes of this video, I've taken the liberty to speed up the backup process to avoid waiting for a couple of minutes for the application and the PVC associated with it to back up. And that's it. A simple process of backing up my application. Now we'll restore it to a namespace that I've already created. I browse to the monitoring section and locate the backup I've just taken a few moments ago that I want to restore and select the Restore button. I give the restore a name. Choose the namespace where I want to restore the application to, like so. I don't need to make any other changes, and I simply press the Restore button. Again, for the sake of time for this video, I've sped up the recovery to avoid waiting a few minutes for the restore to complete. And that's it done. To validate this, I will switch to the Taikun interface. I head over to my project and Kubernetes cluster. I'll view the deployments. Select the namespace where I've just restored the application to, and there's my deployed application. Thank you very much.